सिंध सां इश्क कनि थियूं। फेसबुक खां वठी लाड़काणे ताईं सिंध जो समूरो अखियूं हुनखे पंहिंजी धीअ खां प्यार कनि थियूं।
And it's so nice to see so many of you here. At least a dozen of my friends whom I've never seen before today. I am learning Sindhi. Ma Sindhi, Sindhi. And I also want to agree very much with what Shima has said about the importance of translation, and I hope that in the future I might be one of the ones who translates into English. That's a major goal of mine. So wish me luck, and thank you all so much. Great to be here. Badi mehrbani.
बड़ी मेहरबानी एमली सिंध में रहंदे ऐं हितां जे गिरूर ते रंग खे ॾिसंदे अञा तुंहिंजो इश्क परवास कंदो।